Thank you, my lord. Let's now move on to Exhibit DD 5 in brackets B, my lord. Paragraph 8.2. This is the evidence which was tendered by Lieutenant Colonel House, wherein he testified before this court that you were communicating with accused number 5.
Lana ke ubufakazi loku obothula uyena ke uLieutenant Colonel House asho ke lana ukuthi wena ke waqhumana naye ke umsola wesihlanu.
Comment.
Should I comment?
Yes.
Yep.
Mina ngazi ngaxhumana no number 5. Na ifona number 5 anginayo.
I never communicated with accused number 5. I do not have accused number 5's number.
Yes, also in this exhibit, or throughout all the data analysis that was compiled by Lieutenant Colonel House, there is no communication contained between yourself and accused number 5 for the date of 26 October 2014. But there is this communication for the period of 10 June 2018 to 2 April 2020, which is after the fact.
So it's 10 June 2018 till
10 June 2018 to 2 April 2020.
lana ke uphumana lokho ke akhuluma ngakho noma ke okwahlanganiswa uyena ke uLieutenant Colonel House akukho ke la athi khona ke kwakunokuxhumana okwakukhona phakathi kwakho nomsola wesihlanu ngesikhathi ke noma ke ngelanga lesehlakalo kodwa ke noma u2014 kodwa ke lokuxhumana lokho ke okwange-10 zika June 2018 kuyofica ke nge-2 zika April 2020 kusho ukuthi emuva kwesehlakalo.
I also want you to confirm if this number that Colonel House says you were communicating with accused number 5, if you know whether it belonged to accused number 5.
Akunye futhi ke ngicela ke uqinisekiseke le number lena ke uColonel House athi ke kwakuyinumber ke wena ke oxhumana ngayo nomsola wesihlanu ukuthi ngempela kwakuyiyona inumber kamsola wesihlanu.
Paragraph 16.1 in that document, bulletin number 3. You see the communication between 072 505 70 072 505 7056. You see that number?
Uyayibona le number ngithi?
Yebo ngiyayibona.
Yes, I do.
Whose number is that?
Ekabani?
Angiyazi le.
I don't know this number.
Okay. And the number 071 595 1239. Do you see that number?
Uyayibona le?
Yebo.
Yes.
And Colonel House says that number belongs to Mr. Ntuli,
Uthi ke uColonel House kubufakazi bakhe ke le inumber kaNtuli.
but it is written at Lungsani, accused number 5. Do you
Kodwa
have
ke
any
lapha
comment?
kodwa lapha kubhalwe ke Lungisani uyabona sola wesihlanu.
Ulungisana umntaka mama le number le inamba kaLungisana. Namanje noma singamfonela manje uLungisana. Le number izobanjwa uye. And then mina noba namanje noma ngisejele ngiyamfonela uLungisana makunezinto engiyifunayo kuyo kuyona le number le namanje sebenzisa yona.
Lungsani is my sibling. Lungsani is still using this number even now whilst I am incarcerated. If there are certain things that I need, I call this number and when I need certain things from Lungsani.
Umuntu ebengifonelana naye kule number le uLungisana namanje lo muntu engimfonelayo kule number le uyuLungisana futhi.
The person that I used to contact on this number was Lungisani. Up to now, I am still in contact with this person and it is Lungisani.
La nje basukela umzala akaze keze sebenzise le number. Le number le kaLungisana namanje sengakalungisana.
Here they are just making something up. They are just making something up against Umzala or against my cousin because he has never used this number.
Okay. Let's now go back to Exhibit DD 5 in brackets B, paragraph 8.2. Paragraph 8.2.1, bulletin number 1 to 3, you see? Where it says Musga Ukulelwa Sithemba Sibiya accused 1 using the number 079-379-0137. You see?
Yeah.
Yes.
Inamba yami le.
That's my number.
That's your number.
Yeah.
And it
Yes.
says that number contacted Fiso Guhle accused number 5 at number 071-595-1239 44 times.
Yeah.
Yebo. Bashoko ukuthi lapha waxhumana naye ke ufiso kuhle Ntuli umsola wesihlanu ku 0715951239 amahlandla u44.
Ngiyaphinda ngiyasho. Le number le inamba kaLungisani.
I repeat, this number belongs to Lungisani Yebo.
uLungisani Ndwandwe uyo umnikazi wale number.
Lungisani Ndwandwe, he's the owner of this number.
Uyu umuntu mina mangimfonela kule number le uyu umuntu ebengifonela yena ngiphinde ngithole yena kule number futhi.
He's the person that I would call on this number and he'll be the person that would respond.
So it's not correct that you contacted Mr. Fiso Guhle Ntuli 44 times.
Asilona iqiniso ukuthi waxhumana nofiso kuhle Ntuli amahlandla u44.
Hayi
Action happening here.
But the person you contacted on this number, it was Lungsani.
Kodwa umuntu owaxhumana naye wena kule number kwakuLungisani.
umuntu engaxhumana naye kule number le uLungisani namanje umuntu engimthola kule number le mangifonela mangifuna something kuLungisani uyu uLungisani futhi.
The person that I used to contact on this number is Lungisani. Up to now, when I contact this number, I would get Lungisani.
Namanje le number noma ingafonelwa la eKatolo la izongena kuLungisani uzoyibamba yiLungisani ephinde ezisho ukuthi uLungisani.
Even now, here in court, if this number were to be contacted, the person that would respond would be Lungisani. Even he himself would introduce himself as Lungisani.
On the next bulletin again, it says Musga Ukulelwa Sithemba Sibiya, accused number 1, at 076-077-46749. You see that?
Uyabona la?
Yebo ngiyayibona.
Yes, I see.
It says also you contacted Fiso Guhle Ntuli at 071-595-1239 2 times.
Ithi ke waxhumana naye ke ufiso kuhle Ntuli umsola wesihlanu ku 0715951239 amahlandla amabili.
Is that correct?
Kuyiqiniso?
Akusile iqiniso mina akaze
It's
ngikhulumane noSifiso Kuhle.
It's not
Umuntu engikhulumana
correct.
naye obengikhulumana naye uLungisani.
I never contacted Fiso Kuhle. The person that I used to contact was Lungisani.
And le number yi number kaLungisani.
And this number belongs to Lungisani.
Okay, thank you. But then, also, yes, you have said you've never communicated with accused number Mr. Ntuli on the 26th of October 2014. But during this period of 10 June 2018 to 20 April 2020, even if it's after the fact, did you communicate with Mr. Ntuli with any other number?
Yebo ngezwa ke usho ke ukuthi ke cha awukazeke uxhumana naye ke Mr. Ntuli ngaso isikhathi lesi sango 2014 noma ke ngazo i26 October 2014 kodwa ke ngalesikhathi lesi esishiwo ke la sange 10 June 2018 kuyofica ke nge2 zika April 2020 khona ke noma yenye number kungesiyona lena ke khona enye number owaxhumana nayo ngayo noNtuli kulesi ke manje isikhathi asikhuluma ngo2014 kodwa kulesi 2018 to 2020.
Cha angaze ngikhulumane noNtuli.
No.
Phone ngoba ngisho ukuthi ama number akhe anginawo bengenawo.
No, I never made contact with Ntuli telephonically. As I said that I don't have his number and I didn't have his number.
Okay, let's move on to paragraph 8.2.5 of the same exhibit, my lord. Exhibit DD 5 in brackets 8. You see? Paragraph 8.2.5.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the communication under Mr. Ntuli.
Uxhumana kanye naye ke uNtuli la ku 8.2.5.
The first line, you see, the first line, it says Fiso Guhle Ntuli, accused number 5, at 071-595-1239, contacted Musga Ukulelwa Sithemba Sibiya, which is you, at 079-379-0137, 35 times.
Njengobona-ke kubhaliwe lana ofisa okuhle Ntuli umsolo wesihlanu ku-071 595 1239 waxhumana naye-ke umuzika ukhulelwa Sithemba Sibiya umsolo wokuqala 079 379 0137 amahlandla u-35.
Is that correct?
Kunjalo?
Akukho kanjalo.
It's not correct.
Akusiyo uNtuli engangixhumana naye mangixhumana ngale number le egcina ngo1239. Angisuke ngifonela uLungisani noma ngisuke ngifonela uLungisani.
It's not Ntuli that I was in contact with using.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.